Students, in last class I explained to you format of profit and loss appropriation account. What are the items that are entered in the profit and loss appropriation account and on which side each of the item will be entered. Now in this video I am showing you a solved illustration. It is a very simple problem since this is the first problem I am explaining to you. So you can see the problem on your screen. That is, A and B are two partners. They share profit in the ratio of 3:2. The net profit for the year 2016 had been rupees 50,000, and you are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account considering the following adjustment or providing for the following. You can see partner salary is given, interest on capital is given, the amount which is required to be transferred to general reserve, it is also given. Interest on drawing is also given in amount. Now let's see the solution. At first, you must start from transferring net profit to the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. You can make two columns or can also make single column in this PL appropriation account. So first entry is by profit and loss account in the credit side, net profit transferred rupees 50,000. Now again one item will come to the credit side, which is interest on drawing. In last class I explained why interest on drawing will come to the credit side. So combining interest on drawing of A and B, it will come to 180, and so it is written in final column. Now no more item is to be entered in the credit side. Let's come to the debit side. At first, general reserve is written in the debit side. Transfer to the general reserve is considered appropriation of profits because it is not an expenditure or an expense. Rather, general reserve is provided for any problem in future, any contingencies in future. When required, this general reserve will be used to meet such contingencies. So general reserve is entered in profit and loss appropriation account. Now interest on capital. Since the partners are providing capital to the firm and the deed provides that interest on capital will be given at the rate of 10% per annum, so it must be calculated on the opening capital of the partners. So A has rupees 20,000 as capital and B has rupees 15,000 as a capital. So 10% of those 2,000 and 1,500 respectively has been mentioned, and the total 3,500 is written in the final column. Now partner salary. Partner salary is also considered appropriation of profit and loss, but not like employee salary. It is not treated as an expense, rather it is treated as appropriation of profit or loss. So it is entered in the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. So the salary is given in the problem. A will get a salary of rupees 500 per month. So multiplying it with 12, that means 1 year's salary will become rupees 6,000 in case of A, and in case of B it will be rupees 4,800. So totaling 10,800 will go to the final column. Now The next step, when all the items are over, you have to balance the profit and loss appropriation account to get the share of profit of each partner. So sometimes it may also become loss, the balancing figure, but here in this case you can see clearly that credit side will exceed the debit side. So first you will write the balance of credit side, that will come to 50,180. Now balancing that and subtracting all the amounts in debit, you will get 30,880 rupees. Now, how much will be transferred to the capital of each partner is decided by the profit sharing ratio. So, multiplying 30,880 by 2 by 3, you will get the share of profit of A, and by multiplying 2 by 5 with 30,880, you will get the share to be transferred to B. So the amounts will come to 18,528, and B, for B it will be 12,352. So this amount will be transferred to capital account. Here you are not required to make any capital account. So the solution will end here. And in case you have to transfer it to capital account, if it is required to show the capital account also, then you have to transfer it in credit side of the partner's capital account. Hope you were able to understand, and in next video I am showing you some more sums.